Hello everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to an announcement video. This one is time sensitive, so it's going to bypass the normal protocol of going through the members channel first. Sometimes we get stuff like that. It just, it needs to go out right now. And what this is, MyHeritage starting today, and that's why we don't want to put it in the members area for a week because it would be over by then. But starting today through February 16th, you can see all of their marriage records for free. All 462, almost 463 million records in 158 collections from around the world. So if you have some ancestors you've been wanting to check out those marriage records, but they've been behind the subscription plan, now you can do it for free. Now you do have to, set up a free account with MyHeritage. And if you do that, then you can use their menu items and their search and stuff like that. So once you set up the free account, then you can search all this information for free. So thank you to MyHeritage for that. And I'm sure Ancestry will follow something, for Valentine's, or maybe they're still prepping for Roots Tech. I don't know. But this one's come out from MyHeritage. Enjoy the free marriage records on MyHeritage from today, February 10th, through February 16th, 2021. Hope you find something. If you do, let me know down in the comments below.